For today's painting, I am going to use primary yellow, cerulean blue and Prussian blue. All this for the bird, and for the background and the leaves it's going to be sap green along with yellow. And for the bark of the tree it will be burnt umber with white, and for the flowers finally it's going to be vivid pink along with white. So along with all these colors I am going to use white or black as necessary. And for today's painting I am going to use only this palette knife. All the materials used here are given in the description box below. Please have a look at it, and you can also buy from those links. We will start with the outline of the bird, and we'll have a small outline for the bark of the tree as well. We can add more later. If you are just beginning, just mark all the details inside the bird so that it's easy when you create those textures. Once you get comfortable with a palette knife, then I think you should be able to do it without the details inside the bird. And for this image particularly, I wanted to finish off the background first so that we have a nice space to work, and it's easy to put on the feathers once the background is set. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I do post video tutorials every single week. So it might be product review, it could be a tips or tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. So palette knife, as I already told you, has been a very great tool. It could create lot of textures in your artwork. So if you are just beginning to use a palette knife, then select simple subject. We have already a video for and flower vase with palette knife. Please watch them out. So as far as the bird is concerned, we'll have to use shorter strokes when we are doing with a palette knife. So just it's the placement of colors and the techniques that you use with a palette knife. I'm going to use only one palette knife for the entire image, and I think for beginners it's more than enough to have just one. The direction of the feathers are also very important when you are doing feathery animals like these birds. And if you are an absolute beginner, start with a very simple bird. Tits, finches, robins and sparrows are great birds to start with. These are easy to draw for you, and you can create great textures on these birds. If you are just beginning out, then get your drawing with all the details before you start to paint. If you are confident, you just need the outline. Even it can be done without having the outline. You can directly do it with a brush as well. Don't worry if it just spills out a little bit outside, because as a beginner, when you are trying to use the palette knife, there might be some things that comes out of your workable area for the bird. So you need not worry about it. You can just give a touch up finally. The body basically consists of yellows and blues. So the yellow is combined with white to get a lighter tone. Even for the body, keep the strokes very short and small so that it looks like the feather of the bird. Just keep filling the bird with the yellows and whites in the body. And once that is done, for the leg it is little bit of black, blue and white. For the bark of the tree, it's burnt umber along with white. So here also we are using the palette knife to just drag the paint along the bark of the tree. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please try it out and you will get awesome results, and definitely try it with a palette knife. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button and also share this video. See you in the next video. Happy painting. Bye bye.